Hey, it's Lawrence, and welcome to Lightbooks. If you like what you see, please subscribe and like at the bottom of the screen. Come on, let's go. When I travel and film walking tours across Israel, I often connect to public Wi-Fi's in parks, cafes and public places. To keep my connection secure, I use NordVPN. NordVPN helps protect your internet privacy and lets you browse safely wherever you are. If you'd like to try it yourself, scan the QR code on the screen or check the link in the video description below to get a special deal for viewers of Israeli Light Walks. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's continue our walk. As we walk through the street market here in Ashdod, you can immediately feel the energy of the place. It's busy, colourful and full of life, especially on a day like this, when the market is in full swing. There's a real mix of people here, locals going about their weekly shopping, family, visitors and religious and secular, all moving through the same place. It's one of those places where different parts of the city come together in a very natural way. Walking between the stalls, you get the sounds, the movements, the conversation. It's not quite like some of the other walks, but that's exactly what gives it the character. There's also something happening, something to look at, something to notice, and just beyond it all, you've got the beach nearby, which somehow makes the whole atmosphere feel even more relaxed and with even more activity around. And I have to say, coming through a place like this, it's very easy to forget why you came in the first place. You start off with one idea and somehow ends up just wandering around stall by stall. But that's the part of the charm. Markets like this aren't really about getting somewhere quickly. It's about taking your time, experiencing the moment and seeing a different side of the city as it unfolds around you. Surprise me, you me so surprise me, show me something new. Surprise me, you me so surprise me, show me something new.
Cold in the air, painting sky so high, feeling light as air, watching clouds go by.
Surprise me, you me so surprise me, show me something new. Colors in the air, paint sky so high, feeling light as air, watching clouds go by. Surprise me, you me so surprise me, show me something new. Surprise me, you me so surprise me, show me something new. Every little thrill makes my heart race fast. Moments standing still, wish this joy would last. Surprise me, you me so surprise me, show me something new. Surprise me, you me so surprise me, show me something new. Surprise me. Colors in the air, painting sky so high, feeling light as air, watching clouds go by. Surprise me, show me something new, guide me, change my point of view. Surprise me, you me so surprise me, show me something new. You me so surprise me, show me something new. Surprise me, you me so surprise me, show me something new. Surprise me, you me so surprise me, show me something new. Hi, this is Lawrence. Thank you for joining us today at Night Walks. If you liked it, like and subscribe at the bottom. Thank you for joining us. Bye.